Hello, I am Tina Chawla. I am a special educator, and my son is Adi Chawla. He has cleared the written exam of RIMC, and he's now preparing for the interview. Adi is in modern school Barakhamba, and it's a wonderful school and a lot of opportunities he has got till now, which has really shaped his personality well. But one of our friends introduced me to this school, RIMC. We are civilians, and we had no clue about the army background and the army life. But I got inspired by listening stories from her, and unfortunately, her children couldn't qualify.
Right.
But I got an inspiration from her, and that's how we started our journey. This is Adi's second attempt,
Right.
and he has cleared the written exam.
Okay.
And we
And now-
we are hoping that he clears the interview and goes to RI. It has been like quite some time. Lots of hardships have been gone into it. I have not left a single teacher from Delhi.
Ji.
I have been to Delhi University also, approached the senior teachers there.
Right.
The teachers used to come to our home to teach him. But then something, professional thing was lacking.
Right.
They were expert in their field.
They-
वो नहीं मिल
वो
रहा
नहीं
था.
मिल पा रहा था.
So that I thought was lacking. So then we did a boot camp
Right.
from Compass, and it was very well structured. And though it was all online because of COVID, we couldn't do an offline thing. But the weekly test that he used to undergo gave him immense, and when he wrote the exam, he just came and said, I couldn't stop my hand, because of the hang of practicing those
बिल्कुल.
exams
बिल्कुल.
जो उसने weekend पे करे थे. So it really helped him a lot. The classes were very structured, and every day they used to have English, maths, and GK.
Right.
So very systematically done, and he used to practice every day.
Right.
With the specialized staff here, and they knew what to do with them,
Right.
how much to cover.
Absolutely.
We were doing a lot more, but we never knew that these things were avoidable.
Absolutely. I
So he
agree.
was doing Renan Martin also. He was doing so many different books without realizing that they were not important. But here we got the expert advice, and sir's seminars really helped us. And definitely that boot camp was really helpful.
Really.
And above all, this 1 week interview practice was just awesome. I could see tremendous change in him. And I was reluctant in the beginning because somebody told me that the child has to be very natural, and you need not have to go in for any training for this. Let the child go very naturally.
Naturally.
And his answers should be spontaneous. But then when I took one session, I realized no, that is important. He should know, because his body language was not correct, and he was not knowing the protocols of the interview.
Right.
And how much to say, what to show, what were the frequently asked questions. So it has given me a great insight. It was a very abrupt decision, and I got to know that there is an offline session that will be held today. And I was taking a walk in the park in the morning, and it just struck me that no, I have to do it. So I think it was universe calling. So I just booked the tickets, and we were here in the morning. Everything was so smooth, and since morning he has gone through 2 sessions now, and both were very helpful for him. And he is feeling so confident. After the first session, he was very anxious because then sir gave some feedback that these things need to be added. And after he did that, he was very charged up. He said, I want to give more. So when is my next one? So he was looking forward to the mock sessions.
Right.
With sir.
Right.
So they were really enlightening.
Super.
आज मैम मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट, क्योंकि अभी तक रोज़ मैं भी इससे बात कर रही थी तो रोज़ बहुत डाउटफुल होता था. कभी कोई आंसर आता था, कभी कुछ भूल जाता था, कभी कुछ भूल जाता था. तो टुडे एक ऑफलाइन सेशन के बाद उसकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज में भी बहुत चेंज लगा मुझे. और नाउ ही इज़ वेरी क्लियर कि मुझे कितना बोलना है and how I have to present myself, how I have to show my file,
Right.
and the other things that he got to know कि फाइल को कैसे डिस्प्ले करना है,
True.
अपनी क्वालिटीज़ को कैसे बताना है उनके सामने, which he was not doing it
Earlier.
So आज he is very happy. He's saying कि मम्मा मेरा तो हो जाएगा. Yes, I
Yeah.
didn't trust it before.
Yes.
But then because there was no force behind us that I have to pay it immediately, so I took my time. And it was only after a week session that they asked me that I have to pay the fee. So I was in no hurry. I attended sir's seminars. I had a word with sir so many times, and then my son attended the online classes.
Right.
And it's after that only that we made up our mind that we want to.
Because
sir's seminars were very, very helpful.
yes.
And then when my son took the classes, I used to sit with him. I used to listen to the
So thank you so much for your valuable time, and we wish you more in life. And
And since morning, the kind of warmth and gratitude, I'm really, really grateful. So in each and everything, I'm feeling like I'm at home.
right.